Alright, folks, it's time. Get ready, because it's time for another amazing art class and another exciting episode of the greatest art channel ever existed, Master Designs! The greatest art show in the multiverse! Alright, folks, get ready. Okay, it's time for us to draw Mega Charizard Y. You've been waiting a long time for this moment, and you finally get your chance. It's time to show everyone how we draw it like a boss. Alright, here's how it goes. We know that Mega Charizard has two forms, Mega Charizard X and Mega Charizard Y. Think of it as a branched evolution, along with Gigantamax Charizard. I wonder if Ash's Charizard can Mega Evolve. I hope they get the chance to get that Keystone. I mean, all of them, at least. Okay, let's get started. When drawing him, you must start with his nose. Okay, next up is his tooth. Alexa, who is Charizard?
According to Wikipedia, Charizard, known in Japan as Lizardon, is a Pokemon in Nintendo and Game Freak's Pokemon franchise. Created by Atsuko Nishida, Charizard first appeared in the video games Pokemon Red and Blue and subsequent sequels. They have later appeared in various merchandise, spin-off titles and animated and printed adaptations of the franchise.
Anyways, as you guys all remember by now, Charizard is a starter Pokemon you could get in the Kanto region when he's in his primal form Charmander. As we already experienced from past episodes, Charmander evolves into Charmeleon, and the Charmeleon evolves into Charizard. Basically, I think that Charizard is definitely a must-get Pokemon, even though it has more than one evolution. I especially love the Mega Charizard X and Mega Charizard Y. I know I don't have him right now. I know I don't have those cards, but you guys are happy to donate if you want. If you guys don't need it, I could take it off your hands. Anyways, so when drawing Mega Charizard, you must draw the fingers here. There we go. Hold on, guys. I think I made the arm too short. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Love the show. There we go. Here we go. Now for his leg.
I stand tall 'cause I know I'm a winner. Knock me down, I'll just get up again. You've met your match, yeah, I'm no beginner. Pokemon, Pokemon. gotcha, I'm no beginner. Pokemon.
There we go.
I've got all my friends beside me. I'm keeping my eye on the ball. With the wisdom of years to guide me, I'm gonna catch 'em all.
There we go. Okay, here's the tail flame on his body. I mean, the tail flame on the end of his tail that's attached to his body. That's what I meant. Sorry about that, folks. Alexa, play Be a Hero.
Here's Be a Hero, A Hero's Journey by Pokemon, Ben Dixon and the Sad Truth and Ed Goldfarb on Amazon Music.
Okay, next up is his wing here. Mystery Bob. That. Why can't
You're just a kid on a quest to be the best of the best. Someday you're destined for power and glory. You know you're up to the test. There's only one way to tell this story. Be a hero, be a hero. All the power is at your command. Face your fears and show you're a hero. The future of the world is in your hands. If there a time and again that something's coming, but when will be the moment that leads to greatness? All you need to win a friend. Together you'll demonstrate what strength is. Be a hero, be a hero. All the power is at your command. Face your fears and show you're a hero. The future of the world is in your hands.
There we go. There's his wings here. And done. That's how you draw Mega Charizard Y. There we go. There we go. Now that is what I call art. If you guys are proud of yourselves, be sure to give yourselves a round of applause. Oh. And be sure to press this subscribe button right up here. And I'll be happy to draw you guys more of the best episodes and anime this guy could offer. So, that's how you draw Mega Charizard Y. I hope you guys are content with this video, and hope you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also my Facebook page. And I'll be sure to leave a positive comments on the comments you leave below. And I'll see you guys again next time. See you guys again soon. Oh, and have a good time in space.